guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Gulwara Magazine Play channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the top 5 websites to sell your art and designs. Now some of the websites are particularly catering for the original art, and other websites you can sell both the designs as well as a print-on-demand seller or also your art. So I'm going to be talking about top 5. In fact, I'm going to show you on my laptop these top 5 websites and how you can sell your art and designs on these websites and can make more money. So let's over to my laptop, and before we go part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel, especially if you are an artist, if you are a creative entrepreneur or a print-on-demand seller. This channel is exactly for you. Consider subscribing to our channel. We have the bunch of free resources. All the links are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com. Go over to the freebie section, download all the freebies that we have, which contains the patterns, the textures, the graphics, and also the different kinds of free KDP interior, which you can download and use it for making your own print-on-demand designs, or also for your KDP book, which contains full commercial license. Let's over to my laptop, and I'm going to show you those websites. We are on the laptop, and I'm going to show you these 5 websites which I feel like are the top website for selling the art, and some are also for selling the designs as well. So the first website that we have is the artfire.com. Now on this website you can see the people are selling different stuffs, the jewelries, the wedding, the clothing, accessories, the children, the home. Like there are a bunch of the different items you can sell on this website. So this is the website which I feel like you can use it for selling your artwork. You can see this is kind of like a jewelry items. So this is the handmade artisan who is selling the scarlet impressions, or selling these jewelries. Another one is the jewelry, so you can sell the handmade products over here. This is the pendants, so kind of like a jewelry. Then crochet items. Then all these handmade products you can sell on this one website, which you can sell. So Seller Spotlight, meter sellers like a community. Our community is made up of ordinary people but extraordinary talents. We like to put our sellers in the spotlight and help them draw more business to their shops. Read about some of our page. Sellers' origin story, their favorite products, even if their process is making these products. And if you want to learn, you can check out the different people who are selling on this, like Soapsmith's shop, the Precious. I haven't used this website for myself personally, but I feel like this is an amazing website because I have heard a lot about good reviews about the Art Fire. So I feel like this website could be for you if you're looking for selling of your original artworks or your handmade products. If you're creating any handmade products as well, or original art, you can sell on this website. You can read a different seller spotlight application, you can submit it, and you can join this Art Fire. So this is the first website. Now we're going to talk about the second website that I have for you. This is the artpearl.com. I think I have already made a video talking about the Artpearl. So this website is not just for selling the original art. You can sell the prints as well, the custom framing as well. So this website is also for the print-on-demand seller, because they have the facility of the print-on-demand. Like you can sell your art and designs onto the posters, art prints, or the frame prints, and you can make money by that. So I personally use this website for myself. So I feel like this is the amazing website if you're looking for making money online by selling your art. You can sell the original art. Like this website has a print-on-demand option as well. You can sell the original art as well, print as well. If you're creating your original art and you are handling all the shipping and delivery stuffs, then you don't need to pay this website for anything. You can just set up your shop completely for free, and they take the 0% commission from the artists who are selling their original art. So it's completely free. Like you're not paying any commission. Unlike in any other websites, you need to pay the commission for selling your original art and all. But here you don't need to pay for commissions. A free art gallery, a free online art gallery you can call if you're selling the original art. Or even if you are a print-on-demand seller, then you can place your designs on the art prints, the posters, and the custom framing. They're gonna handle your print-on-demand stuff, and you're gonna get the commission via PayPal. So I think that this is an awesome website. I'm gonna talk about the third website that is the most common. That's the Etsy.com. Now this is one of the most common website, and many of you guys would be aware of that. You can sell your print-on-demand product as well. Like you can integrate with the Printful, Printify, Guten, and you can sell the print-on-demand products. You can sell the digital art as well. So let me just scroll down. You're gonna see that bunch of the digital art prints are there. So some are the digital art prints, and some are the people who doing the shipping and delivery stuff as well. So you can sell the digital product as well. You can do the print on demand product as well. You can sell the handmade products, your original items. Like you can sell almost anything onto the Etsy, ranging from digital products to print on demand products to the handmade products. So I feel like this is an awesome website, and this is one of the biggest marketplace in the online space. I think after the Amazon. It's not free to get started with that. Like you need to pay the 20 cents per listing, and that listing renew I think every 3 to 4 months. I tried Etsy, but my experience with Etsy is not that good. But I still feel like many people have made 5 to 6 figure from the Etsy. So I feel like this is an awesome website if you want to sell your stuff. You'll be able to check it out, the different kinds of stuffs. Like these are the simple art prints that people are selling. You can create these prints by yourself. You can sell them as a digital print or digital art printables, or you can integrate with the Printful, Printify, and Guten to sell your own art posters or selling any print on demand products here. Now talking about the fourth website that I have on the list is the Saatchi Art. Saatchi Art is another most popular art gallery over here. You can sell your original arts over here. You can see that you can sell the paintings, the photography, the drawings, the sculptures, the prints. You can sell the fine art prints, the art decor, pop art, folklore. This is a feature section and all. So you can sell a bunch of the different stuffs onto the Saatchi Art. You can sell the photography as well. If you are into the photography, you're creating the photography. So I think that you can very well go and look for the Saatchi Art, especially for the artists, for the photographers who are looking for selling their original work. Saatchi Art for them. Now they do take a commission from the selling. Like you need to check their stuffs a lot about it, what they take and how much they take. So these are the samples the people are selling on this website. So I feel global selection, how to buy your art. Like if you are looking for buying art, view art in your phones, there's different stuffs. Why sell? You can read the artist handbook, and I feel like this is an also awesome website to sell your original art, photographs, and different kinds of products online. You sell the sculpture, the collages, and all. You can read the section as why you need to sell on the Saatchi Art Gallery, like what unique they have. So you can read over here and you can very well check it out. So this is the page that opens sell your art to global community of art lovers. So you can click over to the start selling option, reach their FAQ, get paid, get featured, how it does actually work. You can read all those things over here. So they have represented artists 100 plus countries, work sold collectors in 80 plus countries. Monthly page views is 10 million. It's monthly about. You need to create your free account, photograph your artwork, upload your artwork, complete your profile. So you can start selling on the Saatchi Gallery. So we handle shipping. You only pay for packaging, no fees. Receive 65% of every artwork sold. So you receive 65%. No exclusive policies, secure online payments, artist protection. So this is an awesome website looking for selling work. Now the last website I have on today's video is the artfinder.com. Now Artfinder is also for specifically for the paintings, printmaking, photography, sculpture, drawing, digital art, collage. You can sell a lot of different things over here, the landscapes, abstracts, people, portraits. These are different kinds of subjects, and depending on the different budget you can sell over here the free shipping or the sale. So this is especially for the artist. I support independent artists, buy directly from an artist, helping them to make a living doing what they love. So you can read their buy sell on Artfinder, seller support, apply to sell. You can read all those things and you can start selling on them. So these are my top 5 websites to sell your art or designs online. Like on the Artportal and Etsy, you can sell as a print on demand seller as well on the Artportal and Etsy. But rest 3 are specifically focusing around selling original artworks or photographs or digital art. So that's all for today video, guys. I hope you really find it useful. Do let me know. So that's it for today video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about these websites? Are you selling on these websites or not? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.